In this video, what we're going to be doing is on the client, on the previous video, we got it set up so it works fine on the server, but on the client, we walk up, we purchase a weapon, waste our current total ammo at the bottom right, so now it's down to 118, buy it again. It does not update until you switch or shoot, so that's due to some replication. So what we're going to do here is we can see here in our character base, we have a refresh ammo widget, and that's what kind of controls the refreshing at the bottom right. And also, the way we have it set up, when we purchase the ammo, we call refresh ammo widget right after we purchase. But this is also running on the server. So if the server purchases it, it's fine. If the client does, this is not going to run on the client, even if the variables here are replicated. So what we want to do, let's go to our refill ammo. We will want to pretty much set this up so it does it on the weapon base when the ammo is refilled. So I'm going to remove this line here. We go ahead and call refill ammo. Have it. So what I'm going to do is if authority update the ammo. Actually, I kind of want to go a different route here because we're going to be firing a client RPC. Instead, what I think is let me think here. Let's get the player first off. So if let's see zombie character player equals cast a Nazi zombie character from get owner. So from here, I want to go ahead and let's start thinking. So we're on the server. We need to get the client to refresh the ammo on the client. However, we don't want to do it on the server when the client purchases something. What I'm thinking is we can do a locally controlled check. So for example, if authority player is locally controlled, player is not locally controlled, meaning we are not controlling the player, then we will call the client RPC. Call client RPC to refresh. Otherwise, we should be able to do everything else. So we'll figure that out. So let's go ahead and create the client RPC. The bottom here. In our protected section, I'm just going to do ufunction client reliable. It's going to do void and underscore, what was it called? A refill ammo. Also going to do void client underscore refill ammo underscore station. Generate the implementation for the implementation. So let's move that down to right above refill ammo. Call client underscore refill ammo. We're simply going to recall refill ammo. So I'm going to print out some logs. Client refill ammo. Call refresh. So player refresh ammo widget. So going to print out a log. Refreshing ammo widget. That should hopefully take care of it. So I'm going to reiterate what's happening. We call purchase ammo. We refill the ammo on the server. We do a check. So if we are the server, well, we have authority and we are not being locally controlled, that means we're on the server copy of the character. So we want to call the client RPC to get to the clients. So we call the client RPC then calls refill ammo. Seems to be locked up. There we go. So then the client RPC calls refill ammo again. So this will return false because hopefully we should, one, not have it necessarily have authority, but we should not be locally, we should be locally controlled. So this else statement should run, setting the ammo and refreshing on the client as well. Wait for it to load up and we will see what happens. We're on the client, purchase the gun, load, reduce the total ammo, buy it again, and it refreshed. See one little issue here. It keeps taking away my points. So let's do a quick check. Total ammo full. That should be returning false. Wait. Yeah, current ammo equals weapon max ammo. Let me check on the server. So I can only purchase once. Check on the client. Actually makes me curious if it's just doing it. Let me check some real quick. Down to 33,000 by the door. Nope, so it actually is affecting the points then. Because weapon max ammo, the default test. Actually, no, because it's returning, it's being fine on the client. I mean, on the server end. Sorry, I'm trying to think about this real quick. A little bit confused because even though we have, like, we're full on total ammo, we should not be able to repurchase. Because it's working on the server, but not the client. So I'm gonna do I want to print out a message and check. So I want to print out current, max, so current total ammo and or weapon max ammo. See what they print out when both the client and the server does it. Because current total ammo should simply be, yeah, because it's replicated. For whatever reason, weapon max ammo is being odd, but it shouldn't be because we're setting it to equal weapon max ammo, which confuses me a little more. look and see. Gonna purchase ammo. 19, maximum 20. Ah, it's not actually updating, I think. So I may have missed something here. Oh, I see what I did. I set current total ammo equals max ammo. Set that kind of globally, or not globally, but so it's on the server and client. So what I'm gonna do is, regardless, even if we're on the server or not, I want to set current total ammo to equal weapon max ammo. So that way it doesn't matter if it's a client or the server. I still want that to happen. This should hopefully fix it. And that means I can actually get rid of this log. Put it back like it was. So now we wait and we'll give it a test and it should be good to go. All right, buy it. Load 13, buy more ammo, 120. I'm spamming F and nothing's happening. That should be 118. Which it is, so we are good to go. So that means our ammo, when we purchase it, is now updating properly on the client as well. And that's what we want. So for the most part, our wall weapons are somewhat complete. Obviously, as we go through and do more polish work, they're going to be probably altered a little bit. But for now, that's not really a concern. So that is one more feature knocked off of the list. So, as always, if you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, a link to my Patreon's in the description, as well as if you have any questions or anything like that, a link to my Discord server is also in the description. So, as usual, I will see you in the next one.